Hi, I'm Gavin, a senior neuroscience major at Hamilton. Behind me is the Taylor Science Center. We have over 100 high-end labs where students and professors do research, and I'm hoping to show you as many as I can. Lucas, how are you?
Very well, how are you?
Doing great. Can you tell me a little bit about your major and the space around us?
Absolutely. I'm a geoscience major here at Hamilton College, and we are in the mineralogy lab, one of my favorite rooms on campus. It's a paradise for geologists. We're surrounded by gorgeous colors, gorgeous minerals. Right now, we're all in a meeting for our Arizona trip that we recently went on. Went to the Grand Canyon all around the south and north side. We also went to Iceland last summer. It's just a wonderful opportunity to come together as a group and look at rocks.
Hi, Danielle. Can you tell me what this thing behind you is?
This is an NMR. It does nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. An NMR is really useful for us, especially in the chemistry department, with determining the structure of chemical reaction products that we make. It's a really important tool, and it's not something that every college has, so it's really unique that we have such an amazing NMR facility here. And it really was an advantage being a chemistry major to have a tool like this at my disposal, especially doing my senior thesis.
This is the laminar flow hood. It's a specially designed hood that blows air through it to make sure that everything inside of the hood stays completely sterile and clean of any outside contaminants.
So this is Natalie and Anis's lab. We focus on genetics here. We use corn as a model organism. And so what we do, we're basically, I'm working on this AB10 project with Subin as well, and we're trying to figure out like how this abnormal chromosome ends up in like 80% of the offspring rather than 50%, which that's predicted by Mendelian genetics. So it's like breaking the normal laws of genetics.
What's it like to be able to work so closely with a researcher like Professor List?
It's great, really. Hamilton offers a lot of great opportunities to be able to connect with professors one-on-one and do really hands-on research that way.
So you and I both get to work with Dr. Robinson. Can you speak to your experience being able to work one-on-one with her and having access to all of the technology and resources that we have doing our theses?
Yeah, it's been really wonderful. I've been working with her since freshman year now. So 4 years. I've worked with her over the summer as well. I actually started my thesis over the summer, which is when I was able to do the optogenetic surgery. So it takes about 2 hours per surgery. So without that summer research, this thesis could not be possible.
Hi, Professor. Can you tell us a little bit about this lab and what you do here?
Right, so this is a lab in which we do behavioral work, behavioral ecology work, and also disease work. And so we're mainly interested in the intersection between behavior and disease. And the main species we work with are American crows. And actually I have a video here, it's called the nanny cam. So we have an aviary across the street. And here's the nanny cam where we can see what the crows are doing at any given moment.
Thanks for coming along as we looked at different lab spaces in the Taylor Science Center. This is where I do a majority of my research. So enjoyed having you guys and hope you guys learned about all the great opportunities we have for research at Hamilton College.